Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Realme 10. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other Realme. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK. After that, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Realme and Receive on Realme 10. Now you need to tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and finally choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go into Recent, tap on only one photo, maybe that one, choose Send and click on Got It. Now on this Realme 10, tap on one of those options, choose Close this window and finally we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then select Receive button or just scan this QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on this scanning icon, choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!